Hi, I am teacher Heidi. I am a mom of two. My daughter Alex is 16 and my son Gab is 10. I am a preschool teacher at the Creative Explorer School for Children, the same school where my kids spent their preschool years. I am also a senior high school teacher at the Abbas Orchard Kinder campus in Antipolo. Being a teacher is a lot like being a mom. It is more than just a job. In fact, to me, it doesn't feel like work at all. It's a commitment born out of love and service. And my passion towards this vocation proved to be more evident when I had to transition into online classes when the pandemic struck. Suddenly, I found myself learning to adapt to the new normal of teaching my students. My first question was, how will I be able to teach my students outside of a classroom setting? For young children, school is an extension of their homes. The moment they step inside the classroom, place their bags inside their cubbyholes, and get their favorite toys from our shelves, they feel safe and at home. How can I then be teacher Heidi if they don't get to see me and hug me? Every year, our preschool holds summer classes, which is something that I always look forward to. But when Metro Manila was placed under lockdown, my co-teachers and I were not sure if we could be able to pursue having summer classes this year. At the time, it didn't seem possible to hold online summer classes for very young children. This was where the love and passion for teaching proved to be much bigger than this crisis. After much planning, the school owners and the teachers prayed about it, and we decided to give online classes a try. It was a success. We have just finished our third term of online classes, and we are now planning our curriculum for the school year, which will be done online. Of course, it is not the same as having classes inside the classroom, but it is doable. Creativity, love, and skill are the key ingredients to making this new setup work for preschool-age children. So from a teacher mom to the mothers out there who are thinking of how to make this season worthwhile and productive for their young children, know that there are so many things that you can do to create a happy learning environment right inside your very own homes and with the limited resources that you have. First, you can make use of this time to teach your children the value of being thankful. Now more than ever is the perfect opportunity to teach them the importance of giving thanks for everything that they have, like family, food, their home, their health, their toys, their books, and so on and so forth. To do this, you can make a gratitude collage together. Just simply gather photos of people and things that your children love, like a family photo, a photo of their favorite food, their favorite toy, or a drawing of your house maybe. And then place everything on a bond paper using glue or scotch tape, whichever you have at home. And then have your children decorate this using crayons, colored pencils, or markers. And make sure that you talk to them about why you are making this project so that they will not miss the lesson behind it.
One of our favorite family bonding activities at home is to take a trip down memory lane as we look at old photos together, like my children's baby pictures, past school events, and family vacations. You can make this as a storytelling activity for your young children as you take them on a journey of your lives. And instead of the usual movies or shows that you watch on television, you can schedule a home movie night where you watch family videos together. This is also a favorite family pastime of ours, and I am sure you will also love doing this together. This is also the perfect time to teach our children some life skills that are, of course, age appropriate. For toddlers, a simple clothes folding activity can be both fun and educational. For older children, you can already start teaching them how to fix their beds, set the table, and maybe even cook rice. Organizing their toys can also be a fun way of learning math through sorting and counting.
You can also have simple cooking activities like sandwich making or even pizza making. There are pizza crusts that you can buy at the grocery, or you can even use bread for this. Decorating the pizza with slices of pepperoni, ham, hot dog, or cheese, and slicing it into several portions can be a lesson in counting. Baking can also be a lesson in counting and measuring. Another fun activity that you can do together is to teach them about keeping their bodies healthy and strong. Teach them how to wash their hands properly by singing their favorite songs together or by counting 1 to 20 together. For exercise, you can imitate animal sounds and movement together. For example, bark like a dog, purr like a kitten, roar like a lion, fly like a bird, or hop like a bunny. You can even play games together without requiring any toy or gadget. You can have an I Spy game with your children by asking them to look for certain objects at home by giving them clues, just like this. I spied a big red circle fruit. Can you also see it? You can also have a treasure hunt inside your homes. For example, place 10 socks at different places inside your house. Make sure that they are not hidden, that they are quite visible and easy for your children to get. Have your children hold a small bag, a basket, or a box where they can put the treasures inside. And let them know that a prize awaits them once they have found all of the treasures. Have them count all of the items that they have found, as this could be a lesson in literacy, math, as well as social-emotional intelligence, as this teaches them about patience. These are just a few of the many things that you can do with your child inside your home. Keep in mind that it doesn't have to be complicated, as most often it is the simplest things that create the most significant impact. More than the cognitive skills, teaching and showing them how to cope in this season, to let them know that they are loved, cared for, and safe, are what we really should be doing. If we can do this for our children, it is more than enough already. Just remember to do everything with love and joy. Keep that love tank overflowing, and those creative juices will start working its wonders. Alright, hello children! Now for today, I'm going to show you how to fold a t-shirt. Now this shirt is my daughter's shirt when she was about, I think, 6 years old. Now, I'm going to show you how we can show that we are thankful for our clothes like t-shirts by taking good care of them. And one way to show that we are taking good care of our clothes is by folding them properly, nicely, and neatly before we put them inside our closets. Alright, are you ready? Now, get your shirts and hold it like this. Alright. And now you place your t-shirts on top of a flat surface like a table. The front part of your t-shirt should be lying down. Alright. And then make sure you press them. You press your shirts evenly. And then our first part is you fold this side and then press. Fold the other side and then press again. Lastly, you fold your shirt in the middle and then press again. Now see? My shirt became very small. It became smaller. Now it would be easier to put it inside your closet.